Hey guys, today we are going to discuss some of the short tricks in solving the square problem. This is very easy, and you know it very well that if we have the number 5 in the last digit, suppose 25 into 25, you know that you have to first multiply the 5 into 5. So here 5, and you have to take any number. Suppose here 2, I am taking it 2, or you may can take this 2 also, and add 1 with this 2, and you will get 3. So now you have 3, and multiply the other number. Okay, so here I have 3, and I multiply it by 2, so I have 6. So this is very easy. And now what about this kind of number? Suppose I am considering 37 into 37. So what about this? So to solve this kind of problem, first of all, let us make it to the in square form. So I make it 37 square, and now you find a square of 3, which is 3 into 3, 9, and 7 into 7 is 49. Okay, and now you multiply these two digits. So 3 into 7 is how much? 3 into 7 is equals to 21, and multiply this number with the power, that is 2. So 2 into 2 and 2 into 2 into 1 is 2, and 2 into 2 is 4. Now you place the number 4 here. You have to skip this last digit here, and now add this these two number like this way. I know it is not kind of addition, but you have to add these two number in this way. So here 9 and 4, 4 and 2 is 6, and 9 and 4 is 13. So we have 1369. So am I right? So let us check it whether I am correct. So let us check it in the calculator, and where is my calculator? So 37 into 37, which is 1369. Okay, so let us try with another number. Suppose I am taking 64 into 64. So we have the result 4096. So whether we can find this number with the help of that method. So 64 into 64, 64 into 64 is equals to 64 squared. Now 6 into 6 is 36, and 4 into 4 is 16. And now multiply 6 and 4, which is equals to 24, and I multiply the power I have, so 48. So I place the 48 here, and let us see. So 6, 8 and 1 is 9, 6 and 4 is 10, so 0 here, and 1. So 1 plus 3 is 4, so it is 4096. And here you see 4096. Wow. So you try with different number, and every time you will get the same result. Thank you.